Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to restore a frozen start menu of taskbar in Windows 10 or 11. So this is very easy and a simple method to restore. So firstly you need to search CMD. So click on search now, type CMD and right click on it, click on run as an administrator. Now here you need to type this command. First command is sfc spaceless scan now. Now press enter in your keyboard and wait till this process will be 100%. If this process will be 100%, so you need to type second command. If you comment, so I will give in description box. So second command is this. So comment me, I will give in description box. So after this both command process will be complete, this SFC and this second. So now close it after this process will be complete and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching again.